In the previous episodes, you translate verbal phrases to mathematical symbols which become an algebraic expression. In grammar, a phrase does not express a complete thought, only sentence does. Similarly, in mathematics, a mathematical phrase or expression does not express a complete thought, only mathematical sentence does. Mathematical sentence makes use of relational symbols like equals, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. If the mathematical sentence uses equal signs, then it is an equation. Otherwise, not equal is a sign of inequality. Word problems can be easily solved if we will translate it using equation or inequality. Today, we will apply the concept of linear equation and inequality in one variable in real-life problems. An equation is a mathematical sentence that shows two equal expressions. For instance, we have 3x plus 5 equals 20. This is an equation. The left side of the equation 3x plus 5 should be equal to the right side of the equation, which is 20. A linear equation is in the form ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and x is not equal to 0. It is called linear because the exponent or the highest degree in the given expression is equivalent only to 1. On the other hand, an inequality is a mathematical sentence that shows two unequal quantities. One might be greater or lesser than the other. For instance, we have 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So, this is an example of inequality because of the symbol is greater than. Now, the value of x depends upon on the given. So, this equation may be true or false. We have to interpret or translate word problems correctly to be able to solve the given equation or inequality. So let's have the first problem. Number problem. Example. The sum of three consecutive integers is 57. Consecutive means that the next number must greater than the previous. So let's take now the solution. So since we don't know the given number, so we will represent it using the value of x. So let x be the first number. Since we use the word consecutive, so the next one should be x plus 1. And we need three consecutive numbers. So 1, 2, and the third consecutive number should be x plus 2. And their sum is equivalent to 57. So we just write now the given. Then, using algebraic method, we will solve the value of x. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 57. Applying the different properties in the given equation, we will arrive in 3x plus 3 equals 57, or by combining similar terms. division property of equality, which will be 3x plus 3. The opposite of positive 3 is negative 3 equals 57. Since you add negative 3 here, you should also add another negative 3 at the right side to make the equation equal. Then, cancel. We will have now 3x equals 54. Divide by 3 using division property of equality. Then, again, 3 divided 3 is 1. So, x equals 54 over 3 is 18. So, based on our solution, the value of x is 18. Therefore, our first number is 18. Our second number is 18 plus 1, 19. 18 plus 2, 20. And according to the condition on the given problem, their sum should be 57 so that the problem will become correct. So 18 plus 19 is 37 plus 20, 57. So they are the same. This time, let's solve each problem using application of linear equation. Problem. Anton is 2 more than 3 times older than her daughter Sam. In 16 years, he will be twice as old as his daughter. What are their present ages? So let us solve the given problem using application of linear equation. In forming an equation, consider equating the same quantity expressed in different way. So in our problem, let us x Sam's age. So Sam is the daughter of Anton. X plus 16 equals Sam's age 16 years from now, after 16 years. And 3x plus 2 plus 16 will be Anton's age 16 years from now. And based on the problem, we have the conditions of Anton's age 16 years from now, which is the age should be twice of x plus 16. So this time, we will solve using the given equation. So, 3x plus 2 plus 16 is the age of Anton after 16 years. And according to the condition, he is 2 times x plus 16. For us to solve Sam's age, we will find the value of x. Using the different properties in equation, we will arrive in 3x plus 2 plus 16 equals 2x plus 32. Simplifying by combining similar term, 3x minus 2x equals 32 minus 18. So observe now, what do you think happened to the next equation? As you can see, positive 2 plus positive 16 is positive 18. But we need to eliminate positive 18, so we will transfer that to the other place. And transferring using transitive property, we need to change the sign. So since here this is positive, this time we will write negative 18 because of transitive property of equality. The same with positive 2x. So we need to transfer positive 2x to the left side. So this time the sign is negative 2x. After that, simplify. 3x minus 2x is only x. And 32 minus 18 is only 14. So the value of x is 14. Let us check our answer. So if the value of x is 14, that will be Sam's age. 14. X plus 16 is 14 plus 16, which is 30. This will become Sam's age 16 years from now. Then, 3x plus 2 plus 16 will be Anton's age 16 years from now. And that will become 3 times 14 plus 2 plus 16 equals 16. And according to the condition of Anton's age, his age will become twice after 16 years. As you can see, 60 is twice of 30. So we met the condition. Therefore, our answer is correct. I hope you understand the process in solving word problems involving linear equations in one variable. This time, let us take word problems involving linear inequalities. So this time, let us take the given problem. Find the value of x in -3 less than 2x plus 1. As you can see, we have the same process in solving linear equation. We will also apply the different properties in inequalities. So, let's have now -3 less than 2x plus 1. And we need to eliminate positive 1 so that 2x will only be the remaining parts here. Therefore, we will apply the transitive property of inequality or addition property of inequality. So, -3 transfer to the other place, that will become -1 less than 2x. Combining similar terms, so that is -4 less than 2x. And still, we have here numerical coefficient, and we need to eliminate 2 in the value of x. So, apply division property of inequality, which is divide both sides by +2. Negative divided by positive, the answer is negative. 4 divided by 2, and that is 2. Therefore, the value of x is greater than -2, or -2 is less than x. So based on our value, -2 is less than x, then our solution set will become x such that x is greater than -2. Therefore, the solution sets will be -2, -1, 0, 1, so on and so forth. As you can see, we place bracket sign here to indicate that these are the solution or the answer. And -2 is just the boundary in our graph. So, if we are going to graph the solution sets, we have now the number line. Always remember that 0 should be written at the middle between positive and negative integers. Therefore, we will place here -2 in the given number line. So, encircle -2. As you can see, this is an open circle to indicate the boundaries or the starting point. And for the final solution, you need to shade the part or draw an arrow to the right side, which indicate that these numbers are greater than -2. And this will be our graphical representation for the given problem. Now, let us take this word problem. The length of the rectangle is 4 more than twice the width. If the perimeter is not more than 80 cm, find the possible dimensions of the rectangle. For our solution, so let's represent x as the width, and 2x plus 4 will be the length of the perimeter. There is a condition that 4 more than twice the width. And we know that the formula for perimeter is 2 length plus 2 width. By substitution, we will have perimeter as 2 times 2x plus 4 plus 2 times x for the length and the width. But according to the condition, the perimeter should not be more than 80. So we will get our inequality 2 times 2x plus 4 plus 2x not more than 80. And by simplifying, 2 times 2x is 4x plus 8 plus 2x is less than or equal to 18. Again, combine similar terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x. Plus 8 is less than or equal to 18. Eliminating 80 using addition property of inequality, so that will become 6x is less than or equal to 80 minus 8. And 6x less than or equal to 80 minus 8, which is 72. Still, we have a value of x here, which is 6. So, 6x is less than or equal to 72. Application of multiplication property of inequality or division property of inequality, we will divide both sides by 6. Cancel. X is less than or equal to 12. I hope you got it right. Are you now ready for our activity? Let us apply what you have learned in this lesson. What value or value of x that will make the equation or inequality true? Get ready with your pen and paper. Solve the following word problems. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Math Cycle. Like the videos and hit the bell button. I hope you learned something today in our lesson. Come and watch our next episodes in geometry. I am Ma'am Normita B. Arca, your math teacher. See you all next time.